Hello friends, good day to you guys. Today I'm excited to bring you this 360-degree sewing gimbal. This is especially good for those vlogger when you're teaching the cooking, planting, gardening. Alright, this is very useful because it's a one-man operation gimbal. Let me show you. Okay, basically the operation is simple. There's only an on-off button here and a Type-C charging port, and then this is the place where you put your handphone, right? This is the grid, and then you turn 360 degree for the scenery taking, and then you need to connect to certain apps. So basically this angle can be bent about 15 degree, bend down 15 degree, right? And this is to loosen, so your handphone can be put it this way, vertical or horizontal. Alright, so first of all you have to power on by pressing on hold. See the light flashing, so your handphone have to the Bluetooth have to on the location, so you need to use this sewing apps. Press it, alright, and once the blue light stop flashing, is connected. Alright, okay, basically the app's got two options. One is the video, and you see the camera icon here. So if you were to use your own stock camera, just press this, start, allow, yes, so you can use your stock camera. So let's say you're taking a video, start recording, and you can move into the scene, right? Let's say this is your face, so you recognize your face and move whenever you go. So the next one is using the sewing camera option. Okay, once you press the camera icon, you go into this video mode. Either you're taking video or the pictures. Alright, so you go to the settings. The recording sound need to enable if you want to record sound, and then this shake head model, if you disable it, it will not follow you. Okay, and this is the continuous snapshot. This is to when you're standing still, it will take a picture or start video recording. I'll show it to you. Okay, when you are in the scene and you decided your position and you stand still, you will count 3. You start recording your video, so you can walk to where you want and do your teaching or presentation. Alright, and for the pictures taking is the same. Just click on these pictures and then it will follow you until you are ready. Just stand still. Alright, you start taking your pictures, so you can change your position, your pose, and stand still. Alright, your pictures are taken. And for this 360 degree icon here, when you just tap on it, it will just turn 360 degree, turning around, recording the scenario, the scenery around it. Alright, it's that simple, just like the introduction I've shown you. Okay, this gimbal is supposed to have this object tracking function, but I have tried it many times, but I did not succeed. But it's really sensitive to faces tracking, so you can use it for one-man operation when you're filming cooking or gardening yourself. Alright, and it's not really expensive. And that's all for today. I hope this video is helpful, and stay tuned for more budget gadget coming up next, and we'll see you soon. Take care and bye.